We are in the red overtop of Northport.
So we woke up at 6:30 because the winds were picking up and the rain was banging on the shutters. So we were playing outside like all morning in the wind, and it was really fun playing. And then around 12 o'clock we had to go in because the winds were really picking up and it was getting a little crazy. The pool started overflowing around 10 o'clock, and I don't know if you can see it, but the wind would push the water and it would go onto the pavers. But that was really cool to see. So we went into the closet at around 2:30.
And we came out at 7, but the wind was still like 100 miles per hour. It was a week until we got power back.
Next clip that we're gonna show you guys is airboat parked at our grandma's house, and there's airboats and kayaks going up and down the streets, and our street was flooded. You'll show it on there, but it was really cool to see.
These next two clips are some gas stations that broke.
So the building that we will show you has a lot of busted windows, and they have like these yellow big tubes with like a massive generator and like another thing to pump air into it and dry out the building. And they had tubes that would go all the way up into the top floor, and it was a really cool sight, but we couldn't capture it on camera. And there's a lot of other buildings that have it too.
In this next clip, there is a light store, and all the lights and the windows broke.
that we will show you is one of our friends that their camper flipped, and when you just drive down streets, you just see so many campers that have tipped.
Next clip is Price and the bridge washed out.